All right, so my name is Ricky.
And I'm Tallin.
And we were here teaching your second West Coast swing lesson of February / this semester in the spring. So what we discussed today is, first off, we kind of forgot to mention last week that West Coast is dance on a line. Turns out West Coast is a very linear dance, so that when we're doing things, we're going back and forth on the same line. Imagine that our follows are on train tracks or something like that, to where they just keep going back and forth on that track. You have a summer home and a winter home, and your idea is to go back and forth between the two. We discussed the idea that we want our follows to basically glide around on the ground with roller skates without any brakes, so that if we applied some sort of tension, that they would just keep going in that same direction until we applied some other tension. That said, we also had a little tension exercise to practice that, where we started off with our follows here. We'd lead them forward in a certain direction, we'd bring them back. We also discussed the idea that we can speed them up, we can slow them down without stopping, things like that. And then what we did is flipped. So then we had it so the follow was leading the leads and lead was following from the lead from the follows. Anyway, it got kind of confusing as to who was doing what and that sort of thing, but it was really fun. So that's something you can practice on your own, that sort of thing. Then what we did is we reviewed the basic step, which is called the sugar push, which would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So what we're starting off with is that we're going to switch between having this stretching and compression. Then we talked about how to do a left side pass, which means that since our follows have to stay on this track, that we're going to switch off and step for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, so that our follow stays on the track, we get out of the way. And again, from this angle, 5 and 6. Then we talked about how to add a turn onto that, which was as simple for the leads as lifting up our left hand as our follow walked under. And that was our outside turn. And to look at it again from this angle, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And then the last thing that we discussed is how to do a free spin with it. So it was 1, 2, reach for the elbow, and triple step. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And that was our lesson for today, so thank you all for coming.